Are you tired of feeling like your money slips through your fingers, thanks to impulsive spending on non-essentials? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to explore the science behind habits and how you can break free from the impulse buying habit to take control of your finances. But first, let's introduce the book that will guide us on this journey, The Power of Habit, by Charles Duhigg. This book delves into the fascinating world of habits and offers insights on how we can change our impulsive spending behaviors. Impulsive spending can wreak havoc on your financial health. It's that split-second decision to make a non-essential purchase, driven by emotions and the desire for instant gratification. But what causes us to fall into this trap? Research shows that impulsive spending is influenced by various psychological factors, including the thrill of acquiring something new, fear of missing out, FOMO, or even using shopping as a coping mechanism for stress or emotional distress. Impulse buying is a habit formed by the habit loop, cue, routine, and reward. The cue triggers the routine of impulsive spending, leading to the immediate reward of owning a new item. This loop becomes deeply ingrained, making it tough to break the cycle. Understanding the psychological drivers of impulsive spending is the first step in overcoming this behavior. By recognizing the emotions and triggers behind your impulsive purchases, you can start to take conscious control of your spending habits. Let's take a closer look at the habit loop model and how it applies to impulse buying. The cue is the trigger that prompts you to consider making a purchase. It could be a sale advertisement, a product display, or simply boredom or stress. Once the cue is triggered, the routine of impulsive spending follows. You reach for your wallet and make the purchase. This behavior provides an instant reward, whether it's the excitement of owning something new or the fleeting feeling of satisfaction. Breaking the habit loop requires understanding how to interrupt the cycle at each stage. To do this, you can adopt various strategies such as identifying specific cues. Keep a journal of your impulsive purchases to identify common cues. It could be a certain time of day, specific stores, or even emotions like stress or sadness. Creating a pause. When you feel the impulse to buy something non-essential, take a deep breath and pause for a moment. This simple act can interrupt the automatic response and give you time to reconsider. Finding alternative rewards. Look for healthier alternatives to the reward you seek from impulsive spending. For example, instead of buying a new outfit, treat yourself to a relaxing bath or a walk in the park. To break the impulse buying habit, you need to identify the triggers and cues that lead to impulsive spending. Start by keeping a spending journal or using budgeting apps to track your non-essential purchases. Look for patterns in your spending behavior. Are there specific situations, emotions, or environments that make impulse buying more likely? Once you recognize the cues, you can take steps to avoid or manage them. If online shopping is a trigger, remove saved credit card information from websites or disable one-click purchase options. Adding extra steps to the checkout process can give you time to reconsider your decision. Retailers often send tempting offers and discounts via email. By unsubscribing from these lists, you can reduce exposure to impulse triggers. Emotions like stress, sadness, or even happiness can lead to impulsive spending. When you're feeling emotional, find alternative ways to cope, such as calling a friend or engaging in a relaxing activity. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if the item aligns with your long-term goals and values. Mindful spending can help you focus on what truly matters to you. Breaking the habit loop requires strategies to disrupt the routine and replace it with healthier behaviors. One approach is to create friction between the cue and the reward. For example, if you're tempted to make an online purchase, remove your credit card information from websites to add an extra step before completing the transaction. Another powerful strategy is the 30-day rule. When you feel the urge to buy something non-essential, wait for 30 days before making the purchase. This cooling-off period allows you to reevaluate the necessity of the item and often leads to more rational spending decisions. Additional strategies include: set spending limits, create a budget for non-essential expenses and stick to it. Use cash or a debit card for discretionary spending, as it can help you become more aware of your expenses. Implement the 10-second rule. Before making any non-essential purchase, take 10 seconds to consider whether it aligns with your financial goals and if it brings genuine value to your life. Create a shopping list and stick to it. Whether you're grocery shopping or buying clothes, having a list helps you stay focused and prevents impulse buying. Avoid impulse buying triggers. Unsubscribe from shopping emails, avoid online browsing when you're bored, and steer clear of retail environments when you don't have a specific need. Instead of focusing solely on avoiding impulse buying, shift your mindset to cultivate healthy spending habits. One effective method is budgeting using the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to essentials, 30% to non-essentials, and 20% to savings and debt payments. Setting clear financial goals is another essential aspect. When you have a purpose for your money, it becomes easier to resist impulsive purchases and stay on track with your long-term objectives. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account as soon as you receive your paycheck. This ensures that you prioritize savings before discretionary spending. Instead of buying something on impulse, save up for it and enjoy the satisfaction of achieving your financial goal. Talk to friends or family about your goal to break the impulse buying habit. Peer support can provide encouragement and accountability. Reward yourself for milestones and achievements that don't involve spending. Celebrate with experiences, quality time with loved ones, or personal growth activities. Ultimately, breaking the impulse buying habit is about finding fulfillment beyond material possessions. Embrace experiences and activities that bring genuine joy and meaning to your life. Focus on building relationships, pursuing hobbies, or engaging in activities that align with your values. Adopting a minimalist mindset can also help. By reducing clutter and unnecessary purchases, you'll create a more intentional and contented lifestyle. Instead of spending on material things, invest in experiences like travel, concerts, or classes that enrich your life. Regularly express gratitude for the things you already have. This can help shift your focus away from what you lack and appreciate the abundance in your life. Consider donating to a cause or supporting a charity. Giving to others can be incredibly rewarding and add a sense of purpose to your financial decisions. Engage in activities that ignite your passions and bring you joy. Hobbies can serve as a healthy outlet for stress and help you build a fulfilling life. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge and strategies to overcome impulsive spending and regain control over your finances. Remember, change takes time and effort, so be patient with yourself as you work towards financial freedom. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and insights. And as always, remember that the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. For personalized financial guidance, consult with a qualified professional based on your individual circumstances. Thank you for watching, and happy saving.